Next, we are pleased to recognize a member of our academic faculty. Tonight's recipient of the Distinguished Faculty Award is Dr. Gay Israel. Dr. Israel came to Colorado State University in 1996 as a professor and department head of the Department of Health and Exercise Science. During his 18-year tenure as department head, undergraduate enrollment tripled. A new PhD program in human bioenergetics was added, and research expenditures grew. Dr. Israel has established the Human Performance Clinical Research Laboratory and is founder and executive director of CSU's Heart Disease Prevention Program. This program was awarded the prestigious designation as a CSU Program of Research and Scholarly Excellence in 2008. Prior to joining CSU, Dr. Israel founded the Howard University Human Performance Lab in Washington, D.C., and East Carolina University's internationally recognized Human Performance Lab, and served as a founder and director of the Cardiovascular Disease Risk Factor Identification Reduction Program. In 2008, he was honored as a Centennial Leader of the College of Health and Human Performance at Eastern Carolina University, which honored distinguished research and service among faculty. Dr. Israel received the 2015 Citation Award from the American College of Sports Medicine for his leadership and contributions in the areas of research and service to the college. He has had a 39-year career characterized by vision, hard work, and a generosity of spirit. Please welcome our Distinguished Faculty Award honoree, Dr. Gay Israel.
Thank you, and it's truly an honor to be here tonight. First, I want to congratulate all the award winners. I'm truly humbled to be in the midst of alumni and students of this great institution with such exceptional career accomplishments. In his classic American tale, A River Runs Through It, Norman Maclean, in a moment of high stress when he was searching for just the right words, quipped, "I could think of the words, but not the sentences they could fit." I hope tonight to use a basket of words that convey my humble, heartfelt gratitude for this award, and to thank those whose hard work and dedication contributed so greatly to my receipt of it. If life was fair, this award would be chopped into different sizes and a portion given to all these wonderful people who helped me attain it by their creativity, hard work, and dedication. For the contribution of all, I am grateful. The only one of the 10 Commandments with a promise is to honor your father and mother. You've helped me do that tonight. But I'm also delighted to accept this prestigious award tonight in honor of my parents, Alva and Marie Israel, and my family members who are all here tonight. It was the solid upbringing and steady influence of my parents that motivated me to simply be the best that I could be with my limited ability. They did not spend a great deal of time talking about values like strong work ethic, making and keeping commitments, fortifying my integrity, getting a good education, and caring for those in need. They simply lived out and demonstrated these values in quiet humility. As I look back on my life through the watery eye of memory, I think my gene pool and early background experiences turned out to help me be a good match for my job at CSU. For example, 1959, when I was 8 years old, was a big year in my life, since it was the first time my dad paid me to do work on the farm, which was picking cotton at 2 cents a pound. This made me a capitalist, and I've been one ever since, with a strong notion that you should get paid for what you produce. When the crops were in that year, we were dispatched to the yard with picks and shovels and started digging a big hole. I was excited because I thought it was a swimming pool. It turned out to be our first septic tank. And it still works today. It was built to last. CSU during my 18 years has always had a scarcity of resources for which was nothing new to me, and my entrepreneurial spirit and work ethic matched CSU well. I extend my heartfelt thanks to my family for their unwavering support throughout my 39-year career, and especially my 19 years at CSU. I've been blessed with a great family supporting my career 100%. My wife, Karen, gave up her career in biochemistry and nutrition after our youngest son was born to stay home with our family, and my career prospered greatly from this sacrifice. At CSU, she has been an integral part of our HES family and always at events of this type at my side. In fact, most people at such events want to visit with her, not me, and I don't blame them. A long-term commitment that Karen and I have kept is that of our wedding vows. We recently celebrated 42 years of marriage. These vows will be familiar, for richer, for poor, in sickness and in health, until death do we part. There are no words or sentences that can describe how Karen has watched my back and taken care of me over the past 11 months, and will do so in the future. Karen, I love and cherish you. She's here tonight along with her parents, Joe and Linda Davis, the best in-laws one could hope for, our sons, Wes and Alex, and their wives, Lauren and Megan, and of course, the star of the show, our grandson, Graham. Would you all please stand? I want to acknowledge my nominators, Ben Miller, Matt Hickey, Kathy Delahoy, Gary Luckeson, Gene Vaughn, Nancy Hartley, Bob Gottschall, Ryan Donovan, and Jeff McCubbin. My heartfelt thanks to all of you. Chuck Noll, the famous Steelers coach, said, "Champions are champions, not because they do anything extraordinary, but because they do the ordinary things better than anyone else." I've been lucky at CSU to work with a great team of extraordinary people, willing to do the ordinary things better than anyone else. I'd like to acknowledge and thank a number of these people and apologize to so many for whom time doesn't permit direct recognition. First, Nancy Hartley, my dean who hired me, stood by me and mentored me throughout. A special thanks to all my fellow department heads. I learned a great deal from all of you, and thanks for your support. Foremost, I need to thank the faculty and staff within the department, whose hard work and dedication allowed the department to transform into one of CSU's best. Over time, I had the honor to hire 20 of the 23 faculty and staff in the department. As an example of the remarkable talent in the department, the Human Performance Clinical Research Lab was dedicated on May 1 of 2000, and just 8 years later, it was named a CSU Program of Research and Scholarly Excellence, a highly competitive title that is still retains today. I had the privilege to serve with 3 great presidents, Al Yates, Larry Penley, and Tony Frank, and 3 vice presidents for research who invested in our ideas significantly over the years, Judd Harper, Tony Frank, and Bill Farland. A constant supporter of our vision in that office over the years was Kathy Delahoy. Kathy, thank you. The HPCRL quickly became the place on the CSU campus for human biomedical research. This is due in large part to Gary Luckeson's unwavering passion, generosity, and support, and for Tom Downs' early efforts in helping us get the heart disease prevention program going and convincing the Human Subjects Committee to allow us to do more invasive human research. In the community health outreach realm, I work with three remarkable people, Brownie McGraw, Avi Strand, and Ruth Lytle Barnaby. Avi is here tonight. I visited with Brownie last week, and I am happy to say she's doing remarkably well. Finally, nothing we accomplished as a team could have occurred without the incredible generosity of our donors, who trusted us and invested in our vision and dreams. To this wonderful group, I extend our heartfelt thanks. I have great confidence that the department will excel in the future for two reasons. First, it is built to last, just like that first septic tank so long ago. And secondly, because we have in place great leadership in Barry Braun, our new department head. I'm confident that Barry will take the department to new levels in all areas. In closing, and I'm sure you're looking forward to that, my mother passed away in May 2013. 4 days before she died, I was able to be alone with her and have our final conversation and ask her what final advice she had for me. She turned in her chair, fixed her gaze on me, and said these words, "You know what to do, just keep doing it." And that was it. There are two things related to my cancer that I'm grateful for. Due to the timing of Mom's death, she didn't have to worry over me. And I'm also grateful that in my family, I'm the one with this dreaded disease. As I've pondered Mom's words, "You know what to do, just keep doing it," over the past 2 years, I feel deeply honored by them. I'll share my interpretation for you of a few things these words will mean in my life going forward. They give me the confidence to know that my cancer cannot cripple love, shatter hope, corrode faith, destroy peace, kill friendships, suppress my memories, silence courage, invade my soul, conquer my spirit, or steal eternal life. I will never waver from my faith, for it is the source of my strength, perseverance, hope, and peace. I'll never waver from my deep devotion, commitment to, and love of my family. I'll never waver from my deep appreciation for the exceptional men and women serving in our armed forces around the world to keep us safe and protect our freedom, and for our police, firefighters, and other law enforcement officials who put their lives on the line every day to keep us safe at home. I will never apologize for the exceptionalism of the United States of America and the freedoms and opportunity this great country has provided me. Finally, I will never apologize for the exceptionalism of Colorado State University, one of our nation's truly great land-grant universities, and I will be forever grateful for the support I received here. It truly has been a wonderful experience. Thank you, and may God bless you all.